Students, today I'm going to teach you general features of algae. So, first of all, what is algae? Algae, they are thallophytes which have chlorophyll as their primary photosynthetic pigment and like a strial covering of cells around the reproductive cells. Habit and habitat, they may be free floating, free swimming, attached to the bottom in this shallow water. According to habitat, algae can be classified as follows: aquatic algae, for example, Chlamydomonas; terrestrial algae, example, Frischella; aerophytes, example, Cytonema; cryophytes, example, Scotilia; thermophytes, example, Oscillatoria brevis; algae of unusual habitat, example, Junalia. Aquatic algae found from tiniest ditch to the mightiest river and oceans. Freshwater algae, volvox and Chlamydomonas. Stagnant water algae, Udogonium and Cara. These are the examples of algae. Running water algae, Cladophora and Eulothrix. Seawater algae, Ectocarpus and Porphyra. Planktonic algae, these are found free floating or freely swimming in water. For example, Cyclostela and Pinularia. Euplankton, these are never attached to the substratum. For example, Microcystis cosmarium. Dicoplankton, beginning they get attached, but later they get detached. For example, Slendrospermum and Rivularia. Terrestrial algae, these are found on beneath the soil surfaces and on, for example, Printifolia species. These images are showing the example of the algae. So aerophytes, they are adapted to the aerial life, occur on tree trunks, moist walls, flower pots, and rocks. For example, for medium species. Cryophytes, snow algae found on mountain peaks with snow. For example, Hemococcus nivalis and Chlamydomonas yellowsensis. These type of algae showing, like for example, Chlamydomonas yellowsensis show green color due to pigment. So thermophytes present in hot springs tolerate temperature up to 85 degrees Celsius temperature. So, for example, Haplosiphon ligonosus. These are the thermophytes. Halophytic algae. So they are present in water containing high percentage of salt. Example, Haplosiphon salina. Lithophytes found on moist rocks and rocky surfaces. For example, Glyocapsa and Rivularia. Epiphytic algae. The algae grow on other plants. For example, Cephalurus algae on Chrysophyllum leaf. So that algae reason for of the red rust of tea. And another one example, Udonelia on mosses. Haplogioic algae. So these algae are found on shells of molluscs, turtles, and fins of fishes. For example, Acrosiphonia. Algae. So these are found inside the body of aquatic animal. For example, Jeuchlorella found inside the causes red rust of tea, by which a severe damage is caused. Symbiotic algae. So many cyanophycean members grow in symbiotic association with other plants. So these are the association of inostope within the thalli of Anthoceros. Size of algae. So we are talk about size of algae. So their sizes varies from 0.5 micron to 700 feet, like giant kelps in the length. Thallus organization. So algae exhibit great diversity in organization of plant body. For example, unicellular It is classified into two types, motile and non-motile. And another one, colonial, synovial, filamentous. Filamentous also further classified into simple and branched, and dendroid. Unicellular. So that type of a algae, they are single cell algae. They may be motile, flagellate. So example Chlamydomonas, and they may be non-motile, shaped like a cocoid. For example, chlorella. So Chlamydomonas and chlorella, these are two types of algae. They are unicellular. Colonial. So the cells are grouped in aggregations called colonies. So first one is Pediastrum and second one is Volvox. Synovial algae. So it is a colony with fixed number of cells. For example, 16 cells in Pandorina, 32 cells in Eudorina. So Pandorina, Eudorina, these are the two examples. Filamentous type of multicellular. Okay, so they may be a simple and unbranched. For example, Eulothrix and Spirogyra. And they may be a branch. And branching is also two types: true branching and false branching. In true branching, for example, Cytonema, and another false branching example है Cladophora. Dendroid. So dendroid means tree-like. These appear stick-like microscopic trees, for example, Parsinocalidus. Structure of the algae. So they are the prokaryotic cells. So they are found in the members of Cyanophyta. Cell wall contains mucopeptides. DNA materials are concentrated in the center and nuclear member is absent. And chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Ribosomes are present. Nuclear division doesn't take place by mitosis. If I talk about eukaryotic cells, so eukaryotic cells has a structure as is in the typical cell of higher plants. Nucleus separated from cytoplasm by distinct nuclear membrane. It divides by mitosis. Cytoplasm contains chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, and endoplasmic reticulum. So algal pigments. Color of algae varies due to presence of definite chemical compounds called as a pigments. Photosynthetic pigments in algae are three kinds. First one is chlorophyll, carotenoid, phycobilins, and biliverdins. Chlorophyll. So algae chlorophyll is represented by green color. They are fate soluble compounds. Chlorophyll is common in all groups of algae. Chlorophyll B, C, D, E have restricted distributions. Carotenoids. So these are fat soluble yellow colored pigments. They are subdivided in carotene and xanthophylls. So there may be 20 xanthophylls and so forth on. Carotenes are five types: alpha, beta, lycopene, and beta carotene. Phycobilins. So phycobilins include red colored phycoerythrins and blue colored phycocyanin. They are present in member of Cyanophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Algae flagella. Flagella are extremely fine hyaline emergence of the cytoplasm. Single anterior flagellum. They are found in pairs and they are many numbers, and their flagella equal in length. And whenever it is unequal, then they can be classified into heterocharom. So nutrition. So algae are autotrophic. All of the most of the cells of thallus normally contain chlorophyll. So the cells can manufacture their own carbohydrate food from carbon dioxide, water through the agency of sunlight. Food reserves. So food accumulates in the form of polysaccharides. Those are Cyanophycean starch and Floridian starch. In Floridian starch is accumulated in Rhodophyta. And the three important reserve foods are laminiarian, paramyelin, leucocene. And mannitol is also another reserved food in red algae.